Experience the next level of cleaning versatility with the Amazon Basics 4-gallon stainless steel wet-dry vacuum. This powerful and reliable vacuum is not just for your home, but is equally at home in your garage or on a job site. Dive into the features that make this vacuum a game-changer for multipurpose cleaning needs. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Powerful wet-dry cleaning solution. The Amazon Basics 4-gallon stainless steel wet-dry vacuum is your go-to solution for tackling both wet and dry cleaning tasks. Whether it's spills at home, dust in your garage, or cleaning up a job site, this vacuum has you covered. With a 4-gallon capacity, it's the ideal companion for various cleaning scenarios. Durable stainless steel construction. Crafted with durability in mind, this wet-dry vacuum is made of sturdy stainless steel in an elegant gray and black design. The robust construction ensures longevity, making it a reliable partner for all your cleaning endeavors. Say goodbye to flimsy vacuums that can't withstand the demands of multipurpose cleaning. Comprehensive accessories for every task, equipped with essential accessories including a reusable cloth filter, foam wet filter, and a locking hose 6 feet x 1/14-inch diameter. This vacuum provides a complete cleaning solution. The inclusion of 3 extension wands, a floor nozzle, a utility nozzle, and a crevice tool caters to various cleaning needs, ensuring no corner or surface is left untouched. Onboard storage for convenience. Never worry about misplacing accessories again. The Amazon Basics vacuum features onboard storage for tools and accessories, offering quick and easy access whenever you need them. This thoughtful design element adds to the convenience, making your cleaning routine more efficient. High-performance 3 HP motor. The heart of this vacuum lies in its 3 HP motor, delivering powerful suction to handle garbage, debris, or dirty water with ease. Experience a cleaning powerhouse that effortlessly takes on challenging tasks, leaving your spaces pristine and debris-free. Balanced top handle for comfort and control. Designed with user comfort in mind, the vacuum features a balanced top handle for a comfortable grip and ultimate control. Maneuvering through different surfaces or carrying it to different locations is a breeze, ensuring a hassle-free cleaning experience. Extended reach with cord wrap for tidy storage. With an 8-foot power cord, this vacuum provides an extended reach, allowing you to clean larger areas without constantly searching for a power source. The built-in cord wrap ensures tidy storage, eliminating the frustration of tangled cords and making post-cleaning cleanup a breeze. Compact dimensions for easy storage. Measuring 13.8 by 12.4 by 18.5 inches LXWXH, this wet-dry vacuum boasts compact dimensions for easy storage. Whether you have limited space in your home or garage, this vacuum seamlessly fits into your storage setup, ready for the next cleaning task. In conclusion, the Amazon Basics 4-gallon stainless steel wet-dry vacuum is not just a cleaning tool, it's your ultimate companion for multipurpose cleaning. From its durable construction to powerful suction, thoughtful design elements to comprehensive accessories, this vacuum checks all the boxes. Elevate your cleaning routine with a reliable, efficient, and user-friendly solution that stands out in the crowded world of vacuum cleaners. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.